Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, CJ, your Runaway Travel Buddy. So, samahan niyo ako ngayon sa isang adventure dito sa may San Juan City, kung saan isa sa mga historical places na meron ang Pilipinas. So, tara, runaway tayo. For the commute guide guys, here it is. So, main means of transportation, MRT, LRT, jeep and bus. And then, syempre, drop off ng Cubao. Then from Cubao guys na LRT, ang baba nyo na nito is J. Ruiz Station. Then tricycle na yung magiging main means of transportation nyo when roaming around. Then for other means of transportation guys, meron ding grab car, angkas na pwede nyo gamitin. Touchdown, pinaglabanan San Juan City. So, ang travel time nito guys from Cubao is 15 minutes drive. So, yun guys, touchdown, San Juan City. So, nito na tayo ngayon. So, later on, mag-start na tayo ng itinerary. So, kanina guys, dun tayo nang galing. Nilakad natin siya. So, ayan, dito na ngayon yung museo ng Katipunan. Ayan siya. So, let's go. Start na tayo, guys. So, yun guys. Kapag bibisit kayo ng San Juan City and especially museums, yung Museo ng Katipunan at saka yung El Deposito is nasa iisa lang sila, nasa Pinaglabanan Shrine. So, ito muna unahin natin. So, for Museo El Deposito guys, open siya ng Tuesday to Sunday lang, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then, entrance fee niya is free. Welcome to Museo El Deposito in San Juan City, one of the most unique museums in the Philippines. Did you know that beneath this museum lies a massive underground reservoir built by the Spanish in 1882, known as El Deposito? It once stored and supplied water to Manila during the Spanish colonial era. Inside the museum, you'll discover the fascinating story of Manila's first modern water system, historic artifacts, and interactive exhibits that bring past to life. If you're a history lover or simply looking for a hidden gem in Metro Manila, Museo El Deposito is surely, definitely worth visiting. This is the historic Carriedo Fountain in Manila, a symbol of the city's first modern water system. Built in 1882, it honors Francisco Carriedo y Peredo, whose donation helped bring clean water to Manila. The fountain is closely connected to El Deposito in San Juan, where water was stored before being distributed throughout the city. Gallery 3, also known as the National Shrine Gallery, this section tells the story of the Battle of San Juan del Monte and the important role of El Deposito in Philippine history. Here, you'll find historical artifacts, a timeline of events, and even a virtual reality experience that lets you witness the revolution in an immersive way. This gallery reminds us that El Deposito is not just an odd water reservoir, it is also a symbol of our nation's struggle for freedom. Kung kayo bumaba guys, yung pinigin na ganito guys. Uy, ayan na. Ayan o. So guys, ito na yung El Deposito Underground. So, tara na.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Just take my hand and we can run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon is old, the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mine unite. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
So ayun guys, pabalik na tayo ngayon. And picture taking lang ulit na
Let's light up the sky.
Ayun guys, so done with the El Deposito Underground. So yung entrance fee pala nito guys is free. Yan. Ganda oh.
Birthday bucket list done.
So second step natin guys, itong Museo ng Katipunan. So tara. Welcome to Museo ng Katipunan, a museum dedicated to the brave men and women who fought for Philippine independence. Here, you'll discover the story of the Katipunan, the secret revolutionary society that sparked the Philippine Revolution against Spanish rule in 1896. Through artifacts, exhibits, and historical displays, this museum brings to life the courage, sacrifices, and patriotism of our heroes. Join me as we explore this important piece of Philippine history and honor the legacy of the Katipuneros. The Cartilla ng Katipunan was written by Emilio Jacinto in 1896. It served as the guidebook and code of conduct for members of the Katipunan. Meet Emilio Jacinto, the brains of the Katipunan or utak ng Katipunan. Despite his young age, he became one of the most important leaders of the Philippine Revolution. He wrote the Cartilla ng Katipunan, a guide that taught patriotism, equality, and honor. His ideas and leadership helped inspire countless Filipinos to fight for freedom and independence. So itong ano guys, Museo ng Katipunan, yung entrance fee niya is free din. So that's it guys for Museo ng Katipunan. So next stop na tayo. So guys, dun galing. And then dito, ito yung magiging signage nyo or landmark, itong City Hall ng San Juan. So ayan. Then dito yung Pinaglabanan Shrine, ito. Ayan. So tara guys, let's explore more. Wow! Ang ganda! Ayun guys, so sa pinagbabaan natin kanina sa Grab, so dun lang din, lalakarin nyo lang din yun. Walking distance lahat dito guys, napakadali. Yung Museo El Deposito, then yung Museo ng Katipunan. Ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Pinaglabanan Shrine. Yan, so yun naman ang pupuntahan natin. So, walking distance lang din siya guys. So, ayun. Welcome to Pinaglabanan Shrine in San Juan City, a historic site that witnessed one of the first major battles of the Philippine Revolution on August 30, 1896. And this is the Eternal Flame Monument. The Eternal Flame symbolizes the bravery and sacrifices of the Filipino revolutionaries who fought for our nation's freedom. It serves as a reminder that the spirit of patriotism continues to burn in every Filipino. It was here that the Katipuneros bravely fought against the Spanish forces in their quest for freedom and independence. Although the battle ended in defeat, their courage ignited the revolution that eventually led to the birth of the Filipino nation. Today, Pinaglabanan Shrine stands as a symbol of patriotism, sacrifice, and the enduring spirit of the Filipino people. ang inyong pagmamahal sa bayan ay patuloy na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat Pilipino. So yun guys, mula dyan sa may pinagbabaan natin sa Grab, tatawid lang. Tapos dito, yan. Yan, didiretsuhin nyo lang to guys kasi pupunta kami ngayon sa simbahan. Isa sa mga simbahan dito sa may San Juan City. Ayan. And then guys, syempre kung matatanong nyo kung may mga transportation dito, yes. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so may mga jeep dito guys. Yan. Then, pwede rin kayong mag-tricycle guys mula sa Pinaglabanan. May mga tricycle doon. Papuntang LRT, J. Ruiz, Gilmore, yun. Katabi niya pala guys yung St. John Baptist, yung Catholic school. Tapos ito na yung church. Ayan. At sumayri. Yes, tricycle na guys. Tara na. So guys, yung pamasahe sa tricycle is 15 pesos. Parang ano siya? 50 pesos pala, tatlo na kami. So divide nyo na lang sa tatlo para makuha niya yung isa. Then, ito na tayo ngayon sa J. Ruiz Station. Pakubaw na guys para makauwi na. Yan, so ganun lang yung way ng transportation guys.
Tingnan mo nga, nag-set at 2 ka na. Siyempre.
Anong buding?
Tingnan sa siya.
Yes, let's eat. So that's it guys for San Juan City vlog. So see you once again on my next vlog.
Esther.
Then also please comment down below which part of the vlog you love you the most or which itinerary gives you the most energy. Bye!